So I'm just going to do a quick little update on the Harbor Freight 1/2-inch electric impact. So I dropped the K-member. That's what I originally bought it for, was the K-member bolts and a couple of the other bolts on the suspension on the other side. But so anyways, right now I'm going to take this. I've got a jack underneath the engine, and I'm going to take off this transmission mount and then unbolt the transmission because it's all too heavy to deal with together. So I'm just going to take it up apart piece by piece. But I was just going to show you a couple times with this. Literally, I took one bolt out and I'm like, I should show them. So just check this out. I mean, it's well worth the 36, 40 bucks, whatever it was. So this is a good one. This is actually the motor mount bolt that goes down to the K-member through this transmission bracket. Just so I get on it. Should be a good one. See, the thing works awesome. So anyways, I'm going to keep separating this. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Thing's awesome. Go pick you one up.